Hey guys, from the bottom of my heart, it's my pleasure to welcome you all to my Devam Prajapati channel. And before starting this video, like, share, and subscribe my channel. So basically, this video is conducted by me because my mom is busy with the clients, and I hardly got this time time to conduct this video. And after backuping from the back-to-back submissions and back-to-back online consultation with the clients, so let's come to the point. So my today's video is on very interesting topic, which is on the Navgraha Stotra. So guys, everybody knows the meaning of Navgrahas, that rest of the 8 planets revolves around the sun. But according to my own experience, the meaning of Navgrahas that they are the symbol of the guardian angels. They are the supporters. They are the messengers. They are the angels who give you the wisdom. Now, let's come to the next point, that is, what is the Navgraha Stotra? So basically, according to the Hinduism, the meaning of Navgraha Stotra is that for each graha there is a shloka and its meaning. And according to me, the meaning of Navgraha Stotra is that there is a connection of energy with the Navgrahas, which is very powerful and positive. So, if you are beginner for the Navgraha Stotra, I will give you advice to do it once or twice in a week, because slowly and steadily wins the race. So let's start the Navgraha Stotra. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Our first planet, the Lord Surya, the one who is the symbol of heart, the one who is symbol of soul, the one who is symbol of status, the one who is symbol of fame, the one who is symbol of father, the one who is symbol of our ego. ॐ जपाकुसुमसङ्काशं काश्यपेयं महाद्युतिं तमोरिं सर्वपापघ्नं प्रणतोऽस्मि दिवाकरम् ॐ जपाकुसुमसङ्काशं काश्यपेयं महाद्युतिं तमोरिं सर्वपापघ्नं प्रणतोऽस्मि दिवाकरम्. I join my hands, I bow down to Lord Surya, the one who is the son of the Rishi Kashyapa, and the one who is the destroyer of the sins, and the one who is the destroyer of the negative energies. Let's come to the next planet, which is the moon or the Lord Chandra. Om Dadishankhatusharabham Shirodarnavasambhavam Namami Shashinam Somam Shambhor Mukutabhushanam. Om Dadishankhatusharabham Shirodarnavasambhavam Namami Shashinam Somam Shambhor Mukutabhushanam. I bow down to Lord Chandra, the one who is the symbol of the natural vegetation, and the one who is the god of the plants and the animals, and the one who is located on the head of the Lord Shiva, and the one who appears in the form of water, in the form of milk, in the form of curd, and in the form of snow. Let's come to the next planet, which is the Mangal Graha. ॐ धरणीगर्भसम्भूतं विद्युत्कान्तिसमप्रभं कुमारं शक्तिहस्तं च मङ्गलं प्रणमाम्यहम् ॐ धरणीगर्भसम्भूतं विद्युत्कान्तिसमप्रभं कुमारं शक्तिहस्तं च मङ्गलं प्रणमाम्यहम् I bow down to Lord Mangal, who is born from the Bhumi or the earth, the one who is the symbol of the courage and the one who is symbol of the compassion. Now let's come to the next planet, which is the Buddha Graha. ॐ प्रियङ्गो कलिकाश्यामं रूपेणां प्रतिमं बुधं सौम्यं सौम्यगुणोपेतं तं बुधं प्रणमाम्यहम् ॐ प्रियङ्गो कलिकाश्यामं रूपेणां प्रतिमं बुधं सौम्यं सौम्यगुणोपेतं तं बुधं प्रणमाम्यहम् I bow down to Lord Buddha, the one who is the symbol of the creative mind or the artistic mind, the one who is the symbol of the business skill, the one who is the symbol of the stability, the one who is the symbol of the wealth, and the one who is the symbol of the creativity. Now let's come to the next planet, which is the Guru Graha or the Dev Guru Brihaspati. Om Devanam cha Rishinam cha Gurum Kanchan Sannibham Buddhibhutam Trilokesham Tam Namami Brihaspatim. ॐ देवानां च ऋषीणां च गुरुं काञ्चनसन्निभं बुद्धिभूतं त्रिलोकेशं तं नमामि बृहस्पतिम् I bow down to the Lord Brihaspati, the one who is the son of the Brahma, the one who is the Guru of the gods and the sages, the one who gives the golden glow, and the one who gives the wisdom, and the one who rules over the three worlds. Now let's come to the next planet, which is the Shukra Graha. Om Himakundam Runalabham दैत्यानां परमं गुरुं सर्वशास्त्रप्रवक्तारं भार्गवं प्रणमाम्यहम् ॐ हिमकुण्डं मृणालाभं दैत्यानां परमं गुरुं सर्वशास्त्रप्रवक्तारं भार्गवं प्रणमाम्यहम् I bow down to the Lord Shukra Graha, the one who is the son of the Brahma, the one who is the Guru of the Daityas, the one who rides on the white horse, and the Graha which gives you good health, good wealth, and good prosperity. Now let's come to the Shani Graha. Om Neelanjanan Samabhasam Raviputram Yamagrajam छायामार्तण्डसम्भूतं तं नमामि शनैश्चरम् ॐ नीलाञ्जनं समाभासं रविपुत्रं यमाग्रजं छायामार्तण्डसम्भूतं तं नमामि शनैश्चरम् I bow down to the Lord Shanidev, who is the son of the Lord Surya and the Devi Chaya, the one who gives the results of our karmas and the one who is the judge of our karmic account. Now let's come to the Chaya Grahas, the first one, which is the Rahu. ॐ अर्धकायं महावीर्यं चन्द्रादित्यविमर्दनं सिंहिकागर्भसम्भूतं तं राहुं प्रणमाम्यहम् ॐ अर्धकायं महावीर्यं चन्द्रादित्यविमर्दनं सिंहिकागर्भसम्भूतं तं राहुं प्रणमाम्यहम् I bow down to the Lord Rahu, who is the symbol of our karmic account, and the one who has the half body, and the one who has the power to conquer over the Lord Chandra and the Lord Surya, and the one who is the born from the lioness. Now let's come to the Ketu Dev. ॐ पलाशपुष्पसङ्काशं तारकाग् ॐ पलाशपुष्पसङ्काशं तारकाग्रहमस्तकं रौद्रं रौद्रात्मकं घोरं तं केतुं प्रणमाम्यहम् ॐ पलाशपुष्पसङ्काशं तारकाग्रहमस्तकं रौद्रं रौद्रात्मकं घोरं तं केतुं प्रणमाम्यहम् I join my hands, I bow down to the Lord Ketu, the one who is the symbol of the spirituality, the one who serves his head to the stars and the planet, and the one who is the symbol of our soul. इति श्रीवेदव्यास विरचितम् आदित्यादि नवग्रह स्तोत्र संपूर्णम. I hope you guys that you enjoyed this auspicious and powerful Navgraha Stotra, and I bless you all, my guys, that may God bless you with good health, wealth, prosperity, and stability between the spirituality and the real life. Once again, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye, guys.